Okay, example number 2, working in the Cartesian plane. You'll see I already labeled the x and y coordinates. So let's have a look at example A. The x value is 3, right? And as per our steps, we need to first fill in the sides. So the x-axis here is 3 units, okay? And on the y-axis, we have 4 units, but that is of course in pink. So we have 4 units on the y-axis, okay? Which means if we complete this rat, which I'm trying to do as best I can, then this side would be 4, okay? Now your next step, and they might not always ask for this, but your next step must be to find the length of your hypotenuse, okay? So we need to know how long is this hypotenuse, because without all the sides being known, we cannot find trig ratios, okay? So in the question they say, find the values of sine, cos, and tan if these are the sketches as given, okay? Now we are going to find the length of the hypotenuse in A, which I'm going to do over here on the right hand side. So the hypotenuse, which I'm just going to call h, so h squared is going to be 4 squared plus our 3 squared, and then you obviously need to write Pythagoras. So the hypotenuse squared is going to be 25, okay, which therefore we will find the square root on both sides. So the hypotenuse is 5 units. So the length of the hypotenuse is 5 units. And now that your rat is complete, let's put a smiley face, we can find all the things that they are asking us to find, okay? And so the first thing that they ask for is sine of theta. So I'm going to call this A1, okay? So the sine of theta is the opposite over the hypotenuse, so that is going to be 4 over 5, right? So there is sine theta for A. And then A2, they ask us for the cosine of theta, which we can easily do. So cosine theta, which is adjacent over hypotenuse, is going to be the blue over the red, which is going to be 3 over 5. And then finally they want the tangent of theta, which is O over A. So tan theta is going to be the pink over the blue, which is 4 over 3. And that is it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay? So you fill in the sides, you determine the missing values, and then you just answer whatever questions is being asked. That's, I promise you, that is as simple as it is. There is no tricks to it. You just make sure your rat is complete, and then you answer all the questions that come along with that.